Hello and welcome back to another video on my YouTube. Today we're going to be attempting this difficult question where we have to solve for x in 27 to the power of x, take away 3 to the x, all over 9 to the x, take away 3 to the x is equal to 82. So where do we begin? We need to start by making everything have a base of 3. So when we have a to the x and we have two factors of a, so a over c and c for example, they can be split into two different parts to a power of x. So you can do this here with 27 to the x, divided by 3, we get 9. So we get 3 to the x times 9 to the x, and the same for 9 to the x, we get 3 to the x times 3 to the x, as seen here. And so now we can take out a factor of 3 to the power of x from each part of the equation. And so we're left with 3 to the power of x times 9 to the x take away 1, all over 3 to the x multiplied by 3 to the x take away 1. And it is quite obvious that you can cancel out the 3 to the power of x's, leaving this on the screen here in blue. So the only way we'll be able to solve this problem is by using the difference of two squares. But how do we get into this form? So we start by converting 9 into 3 squared, so that 9 to the power of x is equal to 3 squared to the power of x. And because multiplication is commutative in indices, a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the n to the power of m. So that means 3 to the power of 2 to the power of x is also equal to 3 to the power of x to the power of 2. And so on the top here we have a difference of two squares. So if we have x squared take away y squared, it will always be equal to x plus y, x minus y. And so similarly with 3 to the power of x squared take away 1, well 1 is obviously 1 squared, we get 3 to the power of x plus 1 and 3 to the power of x minus 1. If we replace this now on the numerator, we get this. And you can probably see that 3 to the power of x take away 1 can be cancelled out from the top and the bottom because we're multiplying on the top. And so that means we're left with 3 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 82. Moving the 1 to the other side now, we get 3 to the x is equal to 81, and we're basically at the end here. So if we have 3 times 3, that's 9, 9 times 3 is 27, and 27 times 3 is 81. So how many powers of 3 was that? It was 4, so 3 to the power of 4 is 81. And there we have it. Thank you for watching this video today. It was a short one, so please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see similar content in the future. Before then, I'll see you next time.